How to fix Minecraft error code SD-002-0. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to fix Minecraft error code SD-002-0. First, ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Try switching to a different network, such as a mobile hotspot, to see if the issue persists. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary issues. Now, go to Settings and Storage. Then go to Clear Minecraft Store Cache. This will remove temporary files and data that might be causing the error. Signing out of your account and then signing back in can refresh authentication tokens and sync account data. Then, visit the Minecraft server status page or check Mojang's Twitter account for any announcements regarding server issues. Next, ensure your game is updated to the latest version. Sometimes the issue might be on Mojang's end, and waiting a while before trying again can help. If you've tried all these steps and still encounter the error, it might be best to contact Minecraft support for further assistance. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.